Dear students, welcome to Construction Practice Laboratory, experiment number 15. Prepare a plan for PVC pipe layout using valves, fixtures, adhesive solvents and fittings from overhead tank to wash basin or tap and execute it. Introduction to gravity system. In order to size a gravity fed system, it is important and necessary that a technician knows and understand how gravity fed system work. In this topic, a first section is devoted to the functioning of gravity fed system, giving definitions of concepts such as gravity, pressure and head loss. A brief description of the various infrastructures and their use is also given in this section. A second section is devoted to the sizing and designs, that is, how to size and where to place the various infrastructures of the gravity fed system. What are the elements of a gravity fed system and what are their functions? A simple spring catchment includes the following elements. Means the diagrammatic sketch shows the simple arrangement of closed gravity system, that is catchment box A, catchment box to protect and to collect water from the spring. B, header tank which has several functions. Avoid an accidental increase of pressure inside the spring in case of network blockage, and allows the decontamination of the suspended substances if they are present before they enter into the pipe to stabilize the flow. This is the diagrammatic representation of a closed system of pipeline. In this pipeline, a main pipeline which brings water from the spring to the users. One or more water points without tap where the users can come to fetch water and where water run continuously. This type of system is called open because nothing closes the network and water runs out continuously. But what should be done if the spring flow is not sufficient to cover the population water needs? It is then necessary to close the system using taps installed on the tap stands and to store the unused water in a tank. The diagram of such system called closed system is as explained. It consists of a catchment box, header tank, main pipeline and a storage tank to store water during the periods when the population demand is low in order to provide a more important flow when the demand increases, and a distribution line to supply water to the consumers, and a tap stands equipped with taps where the users can come to take water. When the difference of height between the spring and the tank or the tap is too important, it is necessary to put small infrastructures in order to prevent the damage of the pipes because of the effect of high pressure. How does a gravity fed system work? A gravity fed system function thanks to the gravity, means it purely works on the gravity force. A gravity is a force which attracts all the objects on the earth surface due to the attraction exerted by the planet's mass. It is this force which makes that all bodies or things always fall at the lowest point. It is thus by gravity that the stored water in tank goes down by its own weight inside the pipes and run out from the taps. But this system works only if the pipes and taps are at lower level than the water level at the starting point. Starting point ಅಂದರೆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಸು ಲೋವರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಶೋಸ್ ದ explanation of closed system of gravity fed system. In this tap 1, water does not run out because the tap is on the higher level than the water level in the tank. See, ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ಯಾಪು ಹೈಯರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಟ್ರು ಫ್ಲೋ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ 2, ವಾಟರ್ ರನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೋ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೋ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ runs out slowly. In tap 3, water does not come out because part of the pipes is found in the top of water level in the tank. So tap 3 means a part of the pipeline is higher than the water level in the tank. So it water not comes out from the tap. In case of tap 4, water comes out from the tap with a good pressure. Means ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ 4ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ 4 ತುಂಬ ಲೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್. So the experiment 15 gives that the aim of the experiment is prepare a plan for PVC layout using valves, fixtures, adhesive solvents and fitting from overhead tank to wash basin or tap. How to conduct this experiment in field? This is the aim. The theory behind this experiment is the water supply system is designed to achieve appropriate water pressure and to avoid contamination to potable water, as well as avoiding contamination and achieving right pressure and flow the system, and must be suitable for the temperature of the water carried. A well designed and installed system must be durable to minimize noise from water flow and from problems such as water hammer and hand support sufficient of water. Procedure involved in this experiment is, first we have to make pipe work may be installed in roof space under a timber floor below a concrete slab. Usually the pipes are installed in the roof space, and where the pipes are buried they must have 600 mm cover under traffic areas, 450 mm cover under lawns and garden areas. Where pipes are the under concrete, they must have 50 mm durability. ಸೊ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 600 mm ಕವರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ 450 mm ಕವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಲಾನ್ಸು ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ 450 mm ಕವರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, access for maintenance and replacement. Pipes installed in locations that are difficult to access should have detailed durability statement for 15 years. Means the pipe installed in places they are difficult to access. In that places we have some durable statement for 15 years of service from the manufacturer. If the pipeline is passing through a structural element, be believed in a larger pipe that is open at both ends to allow the pipe to be inspected or replaced if necessary. Be installed in a chair or sucked with will provide ready access and will not compromise structural elements. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪೈಪ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಲೇಔಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಪಂಪ್, ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಾಕ್, water supply pipeline, stop valve, and also underground pump, sump, and also kitchen sink, wash basin. The diagram shows how the water supply layout is installed for a building. To prevent the electric shock from water pipes may occur in any building. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಪೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಪೈಪ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೆಟಲ್ ತಿದ್ದರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಪೈಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪೈಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅರ್ಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್. ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೈಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಪೈಪ್ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ we are prepared a plan for PVC layout using valves, fixtures, adhesives, solvents and fitting from overhead tank to wash basin or tap and executed in the field. So the reference books for this experiment is including a textbook of building construction by Bindra and Arora, and a textbook of building construction by Sushil Kumar, and a textbook of structural design and drawing by Singh, and that is India Publishing House, a textbook of practical building construction by Mantri Publications, and also you can get lot of information through online sources. So we are framed a multiple choice questions about this experiment. These are as follows. The answer for these questions will be given in the end. These are the answers for the multiple choice questions. Thank you all.